Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am so glad you found us. I have been growing vegetables, herbs, and flowers right here in Zone 10B for years. And let me tell you, gardening in this zone comes with some serious perks. We are lucky to have one of the longest growing seasons in the entire country. Our winters are super mild and we can get things started much earlier than gardeners up north. But that head start also brings a few challenges like managing the heat, picking the right plants, and knowing the best time to start your seeds indoors. That's exactly what we're covering in today's video. I'm walking you through a full step-by-step guide to starting seeds indoors the right way, specifically for Zone 10B gardeners like us. Stick with me because when you follow these steps, your garden is going to be stronger, healthier, and way ahead of schedule this season. Let's talk about the tools and supplies you'll need to get started indoors. First up, seed trays. I always go for trays with deep cells and a clear humidity dome. That dome locks in moisture and warmth, which really helps seeds germinate faster, especially in our warm Zone 10B climate. Try to get a tray with a solid bottom tray underneath it, catches water, and cuts down on mess. Now, let's talk about the seed starting mix. Regular garden soil is a no-go. It's way too heavy and can suffocate young roots. Go for a light, fluffy mix that's made specifically for starting seeds. The one I use drains well, holds moisture just right, and gives seedlings the best chance to grow strong and healthy. Next, lighting. Even though we live in a sunny zone, indoor seedlings still need extra help. A good full-spectrum grow light is a total game changer. It helps your plants grow straight and sturdy instead of tall and floppy. Other helpful tools: a gentle spray bottle for watering, plant labels to keep track of what you planted, and a heat mat if your house gets chilly at night. These little extras really do make a big difference. Choosing the right seeds. Now that you've got your gear, let's talk about seeds, and this part is key. Zone 10B gives us a big advantage. We get an early start and a long growing season, which means we can grow a wide variety of plants. But that does not mean every seed is a good fit. Some plants just do not handle our heat very well. Look for varieties labeled as heat tolerant, warm season, or quick maturing. These are perfect for Zone 10B. You want plants that actually love the heat and will keep growing even in the thick of summer. Timing matters too. If you wait too long, you'll miss the perfect window. For summer vegetables, the best time to start seeds indoors is usually late winter, think January through February. That gives your seedlings plenty of time to grow before transplanting in early spring. Need ideas? Some of the best choices for Zone 10B are tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, basil, cucumbers, zinnias, and marigolds. They all thrive in warm soil and really take off when planted at the right time. And here's one bonus plant I always recommend: okra. A lot of folks skip it for indoor seed starting, but it grows like crazy in Zone 10B and does even better if you give it a head start indoors. Sowing seeds and seedling care. Let's get your hands in the soil.
Well, seed starting mix actually.
Start by filling your tray cells with pre-moistened mix.
Lightly press it down so it's even, but don't pack it too tightly.
You want the mix to stay fluffy and full of air, so roots can spread easily.
Next, check your seed packets.
Each type of seed has its own preferred depth. Some want to be barely covered, while others like a little more soil. A good general rule: plant seeds about twice as deep as they are wide. Drop 1 or 2 seeds per cell, then gently cover them with more mix. After that, grab your spray bottle and give the surface a light misting. You want it moist, not soggy. Too much water can cause something called damping off, where the seedlings collapse from rot. Nobody wants that.
Label everything as you go. You will not remember what's what in a week. Trust me.
Now, place your tray under grow lights and keep the temperature steady. Somewhere between 65 and 75 degrees is ideal. If you have a dome lid, crack it open once a day, or use a small fan nearby. That airflow keeps your seedling strong and helps prevent mold or disease. Think of this stage like plant baby care, give them light, and just the right amount of love, and you'll be rewarded with strong, happy seedlings that are ready to take on the world. You've made it this far. Your seedlings are strong and thriving. Now it's time to move them outdoors, but not so fast. If you skip the hardening off step, your plants can go into shock. Even in Zone 10B, the jump from indoor comfort to outdoor sunlight and breeze can be too much at once. Here's how to make it smooth. Start by setting your seedlings outside for just a couple of hours in the shade. No direct sun yet. Do this for a couple of days, and then slowly increase their outdoor time and introduce a little more sunlight each day. After about a week of this gradual exposure, they'll be ready for the garden. When it's transplant time, choose a cloudy day or wait until late afternoon so the sun isn't blazing. Gently pop your seedlings out of their trays, keeping the root ball as intact as possible. Dig a small hole, place the plant in it, and press the soil around it lightly but firmly. Water deeply right after planting.
This helps settle the roots and gives your plant a solid start in its new home.
Here's the magic once they settle in. Your homegrown seedlings will grow faster, bloom brighter, and produce more than anything you can buy at the store. And just like that, you're now ready to start seeds indoors like a pro Zone 10B gardener. Let's do a quick recap. Begin with a sturdy tray and a fluffy seed starting mix. Give your seedlings good light, steady moisture, and the right temperature.
Choose seeds that love the heat and give them a proper indoor head start.
Then harden them off slowly before transplanting them into your garden. Starting seeds indoors might feel like extra work, but in our warm climate, it gives you a real advantage. By the time your neighbors are just starting to shop for transplants, you'll already have healthy, homegrown plants going strong in the ground. Plus, growing from seed gives you more choices. You can pick rare varieties, grow organic from the start, and know exactly how your plants were raised from day one. So whether it's juicy heirloom tomatoes, bright zinnias, fresh basil, or bold hot peppers, you've got everything you need to grow your dream garden from seed this season. If this video helped you out, let me know down in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already, and share this with someone else gardening in a warm zone like ours.